Let's get straight to it. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is just fermented apple juice. But there's a bit more to the story than that simple definition. ACV starts its life as fresh apples, which are first crushed and pressed to release their sweet juice. This juice is the foundation for everything that comes next. You've seen it everywhere. Health blogs, social media, even your grandma's kitchen. It's become a staple in pantries and wellness routines around the world, and its popularity just keeps growing. But it's not magic, just apples crushed, juiced, and fermented. The process is surprisingly simple, but the result is a tangy liquid with a big reputation. First, yeast is added to the apple juice. The yeast gets to work, feeding on the natural sugars and turning them into alcohol through fermentation. This is the same process used to make hard cider. Then, specific bacteria are introduced. These bacteria convert that alcohol into acetic acid, the sour active ingredient in vinegar. This two-step fermentation is what transforms apple juice into ACV. That's what gives ACV its punchy taste and sharp, unmistakable smell. The acetic acid is responsible for that signature tang that hits your nose and taste buds. The cloudy stuff in raw ACV? That's the mother, a mix of yeast and bacteria. It looks a little strange, but it's totally natural and forms during fermentation. Some claim the mother is where all the health benefits are, but the real focus is acetic acid. That's the compound that's been studied most by scientists. ACV's been used for centuries for cleaning and cooking, and it's a classic ingredient in salad dressings and marinades. But now, it's hyped as a weight loss miracle and a cure-all for just about everything. Before you buy into the hype, remember, it's just twice-fermented apple juice, not a magic potion. The transformation is fascinating, but the ingredients are simple. The science is all about the acetic acid, not the apples or the mother. That's the part researchers are interested in when it comes to health effects. When you hear wild claims about ACV burning fat or melting away pounds, it's all about this one compound, acetic acid. But does it really work? Understanding what ACV really is helps you separate fact from fiction. Knowing the basics makes it easier to see through exaggerated marketing. Don't let marketing fool you. There's no secret ingredient or hidden superpower in the bottle. It's just science, not a miracle. It's simple chemistry, not sorcery. The process is fascinating, but the end result is straightforward. So, what does the science actually say about its weight loss powers? Let's find out together and see if ACV lives up to the legend. Here's what you hear. ACV crushes appetite, stabilizes blood sugar, boosts metabolism, and melts belly fat. The theory? Acetic acid slows stomach emptying, so you feel fuller and eat less. Some say it helps prevent blood sugar spikes and crashes, making cravings less likely. Others claim it revs up your metabolism, burning more calories even at rest. And the big one, it targets belly fat, supposedly shrinking your waistline. Sounds amazing, right? But are these claims real? Or just wishful thinking? Let's look at the evidence. Time for a reality check. Let's separate the facts from the hype and see what the research actually tells us about apple cider vinegar. Appetite suppression? Some studies show vinegar can make you feel fuller, but often because it causes mild nausea, not magic. That uncomfortable feeling in your stomach isn't exactly a healthy way to eat less, and it's definitely not a long-term solution. Blood sugar? This is where ACV shines. Research shows acetic acid can help lower blood sugar spikes after meals, especially for those with insulin resistance. It's not a replacement for medication, but it could be a helpful tool for some people when used alongside a healthy diet. It's not a cure, but it might help control cravings. Still, the effect is usually pretty mild and it won't erase the impact of a poor diet. Metabolism boost? The evidence is weak. Most studies are on animals, not humans. We can't assume what works for mice will work for us, and human trials haven't shown dramatic results. No solid proof that ACV meaningfully increases your calorie burn. If you're hoping for a metabolism miracle, you'll be disappointed. Belly fat? One Japanese study found a small weight loss, just 2 to 4 pounds over 3 months, and the weight came back after stopping. No miracle here. The effect was modest, and it didn't last. The bottom line, ACV might help a little with blood sugar, but don't expect dramatic fat loss. It's not a shortcut to a new body. Real results come from diet and exercise, not vinegar shots. Sustainable habits matter far more than any quick fix. Don't get distracted by hype. Marketing can make anything sound like a miracle, but the science tells a different story. Let's talk about the risks, because even natural remedies can have side effects if you're not careful. ACV is an acid, don't drink it straight. It can erode tooth enamel, burn your throat, and damage your esophagus. If you're on meds for diabetes, heart conditions, or diuretics, talk to your doctor first. ACV can mess with potassium and blood sugar. Digestive upset is common nausea, heartburn, and worse for those with sensitive stomachs or gastroparesis. If it makes you feel sick, stop. Safe use? Stick to 1 tablespoon diluted in a big glass of water per day. Always use a straw to protect your teeth. More is not better, just more dangerous. Never use ACV as a quick fix or without medical advice. Respect the risks. Now, should you even bother with it? Here's the truth. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is neither a miracle cure nor a complete myth. It's often hyped up online, but let's cut through the noise and look at what it really does. At best, it's just a minor tool in your health toolkit. Definitely not a magic bullet for weight loss or health. The only real, consistent benefit shown in research is modest blood sugar support, which might help curb cravings or prevent energy crashes after meals. Using it in salad dressings or marinades is both safe and can add a tangy flavor to your meals, making healthy eating more enjoyable. But let's be clear, it won't magically burn fat, build muscle, or undo the effects of a poor diet or lack of exercise. The tiny weight loss seen in some studies is minimal, especially when compared to the results you get from real nutrition, consistent exercise, and healthy habits. If you're healthy, have checked with your doctor, and want to try it, dilute 1 tablespoon in a large glass of water and see how your body responds. Just remember, don't expect miracles or overnight changes. Think of ACV as a supplement to your routine, not a solution or replacement for real lifestyle changes. Your foundation should always be whole, nutrient-dense foods and regular physical activity. Those are the habits that truly matter. In the end, that's the only real miracle for lasting results and a healthier, happier you.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.